Today what I want to do is show you what my ideal weekend day is here. I love Peru. I've been coming here every year, sometimes multiple times a year, since about 2021. And I just cannot get enough of this place. Every time I leave, I can't wait to come back. It's going to be starting off this day doing a little ride on my bike down to Barranco. So that felt really good. That's a lot slower than I normally ride because I haven't ridden my bike in a while. But that still felt really good. Got the chance to burn a lot of calories. Right now I'm gonna take a quick shower and go get some breakfast. I don't know why I said breakfast. It's almost 11 a.m. It's time to get some lunch. But since I didn't eat any breakfast, I'm starving right now. If you watched my last video, you saw that people eat soup for breakfast around here. So I'm on my way to get some soup. This is actually probably one of my favorite, if not the favorite restaurant here in Lima. Yeah. What is that mean? That soup was incredible. That is one of the first places that I go to whenever I come back to Lima. there was so much traffic, I probably could have walked here faster. So I sometimes forget how long it takes to get to Barranco just due to the traffic, especially on Saturdays.
El concurso al mejor Pisco Sour 2026, ¿ah? Y luego la premiación, que también estará presente el ministro de Produce.
El Ministerio de la Producción fue el primero que acogió esta idea y hasta hoy se mantiene vigente el Ministerio de la Producción. Consume lo que el Perú produce.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within calling. This heavy load got under your skin. Darling, you got the white knuckles holding on the tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for a collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey,
Hola, hola, hola.
Voy, te las dejo de hecho.
No, esto no es nuevo.
Vamos, cuenta otra vez.
1, 2, 3, 18, 19, 20.
No. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. ¿Cómo así?
No tuve tiempo. ¡Uy! No solo días.
Ahora tú cuentas.
Oh. Entramos. Isabel, ven acá. ¿Entramos educados o regresamos a la casa? Pórtense bien. Pueden escoger 2 libros. Buscamos libros para niñas. ¿Están escuchando? No. Ven acá. Sí.
Más o menos ¿qué les gusta leer para poder encontrar los libros? Yo 9. No manches. No, yo no quería. Ahora sí abrirlo. Ahora de abrirlo. No tienes. Mira esta parte. Mira.
Sí, muy bonito.
Depredadores marinos más feroces.
I'm jealous of the way the sun gets to shine on you. I'm jealous of the way the moon spends its nights, watching you snooze even in your sleep. You're so fine. Please tell me, babe, is it a crime? Can I just get all of your time? I'm selfish 'cause you're supposed to be all mine. So don't let the wind kiss your face. All mine. No, don't let nothing take my place. Supposed to be all mine. From the car you drive to the street.
¿No lo ves? Está por arriba. Happyland Adventure.
for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore.
Man, these kids have worn me out. They're completely worn out. They went off running somewhere. I can't run anymore. I can't run anymore. I'm absolutely dead. absolutely dead.
7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait.
That was really fun, but it was very, very, very loud. Very, very, very loud. Couldn't even hear myself think inside of there, but had a lot of fun.